आज के इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं आदरणीय सर के चरणों में शत शत प्रणाम करता हूँ। सर, you have always seen all our wrong things also in a most positive way, which had always uplifted us in all the aspects, which had increased the level of confidence in our life. When somewhere you see the less confidence in us, you had motivated every now and then. We are so lucky that you are with us. This is because of the destiny of someone who gets the person like you, because only few people are there in the life. They show us the correct path and they keep on motivating others. Because of you, we had learned so many things. We are really thankful that we are under your umbrella, learned so many things. Thank you for being our guru, and we are expecting to guide us throughout the life. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. First, sir, happy Teachers Day to you. जहाँ तक मुझे पता है सर, हर कोई मतलब क्वेश्चंस करता है कि आपकी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, वीकनेसेस क्या है। हर कोई आप अलग अलग एडजेक्टिव यूज करते हैं, बट कोई कुछ भी कहे, फॉर मी द स्ट्रेंथ इज यू. I have near about 10-12 years experience in the teaching field. But sir, what we are today and where I am standing is because of your new creative teaching, new learning and ethics taught us. And sir, thank you sir for giving me this such a professional shape in this rapid world. Thank you so much, sir. And really, sir, my strength is just you, sir. Thank you so much.
It's been an utmost honor to be able to say thank you to our respected principal, sir, for driving me to reach my potential and making me think beyond practical boundaries, and also helping me to do phenomenal things in my life. There are two simple words in English, that is thank you. But these two simple words are not enough to say you, sir, that how grateful we are to have you in our life. There are so many things we are grateful to you for supporting me when I needed it the most, for the piece of advice that you gave me when I got lost, for the endless care and support. So you are not only a distinguished principal but also an amazing person. So thank you so much, sir, for being the part of our life. Thank you so much.
Is my gratitude towards the versatile and dynamic personality of our school, that is our respected principal, sir. Thank you, sir, for always being with us and motivating us in all possible way that you can. So on this auspicious day, I want to wish you a happy Teachers Day. Thank you, sir. Thank you once again for being with us.
बिना ज्ञान नहीं, गुरु बिना मान नहीं, गुरु बिना राह नहीं, गुरु बिना सहा नहीं. Behind every successful child is a teacher who raised them up with his enriching knowledge. And behind every successful teacher, there is a principal who raised them up with his great knowledge. Today I take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude towards my greatest guru, Mr. Sanjeev Kumar Bharadwaj, sir. Respected principal, sir, thank you for your motivation, guidance and support. Thank you, sir.
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, शिक्षक दिवस की आपको हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं.
योर बिलव, योर ऑनरेबल, आप पर हमको नाज. योर बिलव, योर ऑनरेबल, आप पर हमको नाज. लव एंड अफेक्शन से करते हैं हम पर राज. नो यस्टरडे, नो टुमारो, यू शुड डू दिस आज. नो यस्टरडे, नो टुमारो, यू शुड डू दिस आज. काम समय पर हो जाता, नो इफ एंड बिकॉज. डेडिकेटेड एंड पंक्चुअल, डेडिकेटेड एंड पंक्चुअल, आप हैं पोदार के ताज. डेडिकेटेड एंड पंक्चुअल, आप हैं पोदार के ताज. बच्चों और टीचरों के चहेते, यू आर Sanjeev Bhardwaj. Wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Wish you very happy Teacher Day to the Motivation Principal Sir and teacher. Thank you Motivation Principal Sir for timely guidance and support to me. It's really encourage and inspire for me. We are grateful for the positive motivations you bring in the school. So once again, wish you very happy Teacher Day. Thank you.
Respected sir, you are not just a teacher for me. You are like in a book where the knowledge is filled and beyond of it. Just because of your knowledge, I feel very happy under the guidance of yours. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day, sir.
As we know, every year we celebrate as a Teacher Day. So I would like to talk about the teacher. He is a teacher. He is not a teacher. He is the principal. He is the principal of Podar International School, Bengali. He is a very dynamic as well as helpful person to teachers as well as to the students. He always guides us to each and every part of the school. I am really glad that I work under his guidance. Yeah, thank you.
Sir, you are real epitome of your profession. You are treat us with firmness, care, love, and at times you get slightly milk. You adore us like your kids and call us like your children. Sir, you are a true mentor. Thank you for being my guiding light and guiding me all the way. Without you, we would have been lost. Thank you, sir, for guiding us, inspiring us, and making us what we are today. Once again, happy Teachers Day.
As we all celebrate Teachers Day, I wish our respected principal sir a very happy Teachers Day, and to all the teachers. And I sincerely thank the Almighty God for all the teachers that I had in my life and for what I am today. At this very moment, I thank our respected principal sir for molding us to be an effective teacher for the 21st century. Thank you, dear sir. Thank you all the teachers, and wish you a very happy Teachers Day.
सुप्रभातम, सभी को नमो नमः। आदरणीय प्राचार्य जी एवं सभी अध्यापकगण, आज हम शिक्षक दिवस अर्थात टीचर डे मना रहे हैं। आइए इस उपलक्ष्य में मैं अपने प्राचार्य महोदय जी के बारे में आप लोगों से कुछ वार्तालाप करना चाहता हूँ। मैं आप लोगों को कुछ बताना चाहता हूँ। कहते हैं कि सर्वश्रेष्ठ यदि कोई है तो वो कर्म है, और हमारे जो प्राचार्य जी है वो कर्तव्यनिष्ठ, कर्मनिष्ठ और अपने कार्य के प्रति लगन से अपना कार्य पूरा ध्यान दे करके, मन लगा करके, दिल लगा करके वो अपना कार्य करते हैं। तो ऐसे प्राचार्य जी बड़े मुश्किल से मिलते हैं, तो हमारा भाग्य है कि हमारे प्राचार्य जी हमेशा हमारा सब लोगों का उत्साह बनाए रखते हैं। धन्यवाद।
आदरणीय प्रिंसिपल सर को मैं कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी कि उन्होंने मेरे गुणों को तराशा और मुझे हमेशा प्रोत्साहित किया और हमेशा मुझे अपने कार्य करने के लिए वह प्रोत्साहित करते रहे। धन्यवाद सर। मैं आपके लिए कुछ पंक्तियाँ बोलना चाहूँगी। कल सोच रही थी मैं कि क्या बोलूँगी आपके वंदन में। कल सोच रही थी मैं कि क्या बोलूँगी आपके वंदन में। आप तो वह कस्तूरी हो, आप तो वह कस्तूरी हो जो इत्र डाल दे चंदन में, जो इत्र डाल दे चंदन में। आप तो वह मंथित सागर हो, आप तो वह मंथित सागर हो जिसने मेरे जीवन को संकल्प दिए, जिसने मेरे जीवन को संकल्प दिए। दीपक बनकर मैं चाहे इस दुनिया में उजियारी हूँ, दीपक बनकर मैं चाहे इस दुनिया में उजियारी हूँ। आप ही हो मेरे दीप शिखा, वरना मैं भी अंधियारी हूँ। थैंक यू सर। आपका मोटिवेशन हमें हमेशा मिलता रहेगा, मुझे हमेशा मिलता रहेगा इसके लिए। और मैं तो भगवान का धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी कि आप जैसे प्रिंसिपल सर हमें मिले। थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू सर।
जीवन के हर अंधेरे में रोशनी दिखाई है आपने, जब सब दरवाजे बंद हो जाए तो नए रास्ते दिखाए हैं आपने। सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान ही नहीं तो जीवन जीना सिखाया है आपने। जीवन जीना सिखाया है आपने. विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी टीचर्स डे to most dedicated, passionate and respected principal sir. You are not only the principal for me, you are the guider, mentor, supporter, motivator and father for me. Thank you so much for everything, for always guiding me where I am needed, for always motivating me when I am doing something good, and for always supporting me when I am doing something wrong. Thank you so much for everything. Once again, wish you happy Teachers.
Thank you, sir, for motivating us, guiding us, and inspiring us, for making us what we are today. Happy Teachers Day.
गुरुर ब्रह्मा गुरुर विष्णु गुरुर देव महेश्वरा गुरुर साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Happy Teachers Day to all. We are having a best mentor, best philosopher with us. That is our principal sir. He always motivates us with his marvelous words and inspiring us with his commendable inspiration. He is very inspiring man and also teaches us how to complete our tasks in a given time and how to make.
Leaders become great not because of their power but because of their ability to empower others. Respected sir, you are a great leader who always inspires others to do a great thing. Sir, you are a best teacher, principal, motivator, guide, supporter who always teaches us a good moral values, shows us a good path. Sir, for me, you are a best teacher, a kind personality, you are a role model for me. Today, I wish you a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Dear sir, thanks for supporting and enlightening all my way. I'm grateful to a sincere and wonderful person as well as an amazing educator. You're truly inspiring individual who has taught much more than in a simple curriculum. Your hard work, efforts and care are much appreciated than you know. Thank you sir. Happy Teachers Day.
Respected sir, you are not just a principal to me, you are also an inspiration. Lucky to have you as a guide. Happy Teachers Day sir. You are not only our principal, you are our friend, philosopher and guide. All molded into one person. We will always be grateful for your support. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you sir. Thank you.
Dear Principal sir, you have always played very important role in my life. Thank you sir for showing faith on me and also building confidence for accepting kind of challenges. A very happy Teachers Day sir. Thank you very much.
Respected Principal sir, you always give me motivation, guidance and support. Thank you sir. Happy Teachers Day.
Respected sir, you are a good principal, supporting teacher in every issue. I wish you a happy Teacher Day. World best principal sir. Thank you very much.
जल जाता है वो दिए की तरह, जल जाता है वो दिए की तरह, कई जीवन रोशन कर जाता है. कुछ इसी तरह से हर एक गुरु, कुछ इसी तरह से हर एक गुरु अपना फर्ज निभाता है. प्रिंसिपल सर, आपको शिक्षक दिवस की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं. प्रिंसिपल सर, आप मेरे जीवन की प्रेरणा हैं. आप मुझे हर समय जो बहुमूल्य मार्गदर्शन करते हैं उसके लिए मैं आपका सदैव ऋणी रहूँगा. मैं भाग्यशाली हूँ कि मुझे आप जैसे प्रिंसिपल मिले. आपको फिर से एक बार शिक्षक दिवस की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं.